Here I have Motorola G14, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. Firstly, you should enter turn off menu by holding down power key or whatever. Then when you see this menu, hold down your finger on power off, then tap OK, and device reboots to safe mode. But if you hold down power key and this menu doesn't appear, Google Assistant turns on. You go here to upper bar, tap on this menu here, and here you can access it. So you hold down on power off, then tap OK, and device will be restarted in a safe mode. And as you can see, the sign here says safe mode, which is the proof that we're in a safe mode right now. So if you want to quit safe mode, all you need to do is to just restart your device, and after that it will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.